Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will explore the Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0223, which indicates a high voltage condition in the Throttle Position Sensor B circuit for the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. It's crucial to understand that the electronic throttle control system governs how the throttle valve opens based on various inputs. This system comprises several components, including TP sensors A and B, the electronic throttle control system, ETCS, control relay, the throttle actuator, and the powertrain control module, PCM. Specifically, TP sensor B plays a vital role in communicating the throttle valve's position to the PCM, which helps in maintaining optimal engine performance. If TP sensor B outputs a voltage of 4.8 volts or more for 200 milliseconds or longer, the PCM interprets this as a malfunction, resulting in the setting of DTC P0223. We will proceed through detailed troubleshooting steps to diagnose and potentially fix this error. To prevent the occurrence of DTC P0223 in the future, regular preventive maintenance is crucial. This includes routine inspections of critical components like the TP sensor B, as well as visually checking the associated wiring and connections for damage or corrosion. Keeping the wiring clean and secure can prevent many issues related to electrical connectivity and reduce the likelihood of high voltage errors. Additionally, ensuring that the PCM is updated with the latest software can optimize its performance and accuracy in diagnostic functions. Regularly servicing the vehicle according to Honda's recommended maintenance schedule also aids in keeping the electronic throttle control system functioning correctly. By taking proactive measures, you can significantly mitigate the risk of encountering this DTC again. The Diagnostic Trouble Code P0223 is a significant indicator of potential throttle control issues in the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. Understanding the implications of this code helps in addressing matters of vehicle performance and safety. Effective troubleshooting is required to identify the root cause, whether it's related to the TP sensor B itself, wiring, or possibly even the PCM. Each step outlined in the troubleshooting guide helps in methodically eliminating potential faults and ensuring comprehensive repair. Additionally, maintaining a routine check on the electronic throttle control components reinforces vehicle reliability. By prioritizing these measures, Honda Accord owners can enjoy a safe and dependable driving experience. DTC P0223 signifies a high voltage situation in the Throttle Position Sensor B circuit. The TP sensor B is critical as it provides the PCM with essential feedback regarding the position of the throttle valve, enabling accurate control of engine operation. It is a semiconductor-type sensor that is securely mounted on the throttle body and attached to the throttle shaft. Its location is integral since it directly interacts with the throttle valve's movement, crucial for maintaining the desired engine performance. When the TP sensor B outputs a voltage of 4.8 volts or higher for an extended duration, the PCM recognizes this as a condition that could interfere with engine functionality and triggers the error. Understanding the anatomy of the throttle control system is essential for pinpointing and addressing issues leading to this DTC. Several potential causes may lead to the occurrence of DTC P0223, and understanding them helps streamline the diagnostic process. Firstly, a failure of TP sensor B itself can result in incorrect voltage readings, triggering the DTC. Additionally, if there's an open in the THL2 line, which is responsible for transmitting throttle position signals, this can prevent the PCM from receiving accurate information, leading to high voltage readings. Similarly, an open in the SG line, can also create issues by disrupting the signal path, causing the sensor to output an erroneous voltage. Finally, a malfunction within the PCM's internal circuitry might result in erroneous DTC settings, even if other components are functioning correctly. Therefore, all these potential causes warrant a thorough inspection to ensure the system operates as intended. When DTC P0223 is present, several symptoms may manifest, indicating a fault in the throttle control system. The most noticeable symptom is the illumination of the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, on the dashboard, which serves as a warning to the driver of a potential issue. Furthermore, drivers may experience a loss of throttle response, which means that pressing the accelerator pedal will not elicit the expected acceleration. This loss can severely impact the vehicle's drivability and overall performance. Additionally, erratic engine performance may occur, where the engine behaves unpredictably, causing hesitation or stalling. These symptoms are significant red flags that warrant immediate attention, as they can impact safety and vehicle functionality. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0223 involves checking for any active Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs, stored in the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. It is essential to confirm that no other trouble codes are currently logged, as certain DTCs can prevent the monitor from running properly. Specifically, codes like P0122, P0133, and P0222, among others listed earlier, can influence the diagnostic process. If these codes are present, they must be addressed first, before proceeding with the investigation into DTC P0223. Ensuring a clean slate with no other active DTCs is crucial, as it eliminates confusion and allows for a focused diagnosis of the actual issue at hand concerning TP Sensor B. Proper scanning equipment should be used, capable of communicating with the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system for the most accurate results. The second step in troubleshooting involves a physical inspection of the wiring associated with TP Sensor B. This includes looking for any visible damage, fraying, or corrosion, which can compromise the integrity of the signal being sent to the PCM. It's vital to understand that even minor issues with wiring can lead to significant problems, such as high voltage readings that trigger DTC P0223. The inspection should also include verifying any connectors related to the sensor, checking for bending, melting, or looseness that might affect connectivity. During this process, using a multimeter can aid in measuring the voltage levels to ensure they align with specifications set by Honda. The goal is to eliminate any wiring-related issues that could be contributing to the reported high-voltage condition. The third step focuses on testing the operation of TP Sensor B itself. Utilizing a multimeter, the output voltage of the sensor must be measured while the ignition is in the on position to confirm its proper functionality. Ideally, the voltage should be within an expected range that aligns with Honda's specifications. If the voltage reads 4.8 volts or higher consistently, this indicates a malfunction of the sensor, confirming that it needs replacement. It's crucial to test at various throttle positions to ensure a comprehensive evaluation of sensor behavior, as a degraded or failing sensor may not provide accurate readings across its range. Ensuring that the sensor output responds properly to throttle valve movement is vital for recognizing whether the sensor itself is the primary issue contributing to the DTC. The final step of the troubleshooting process involves inspecting the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, for any signs of internal failure. The PCM is the central brain of the vehicle's engine management system. If the previous steps have indicated that both wiring and TP Sensor B are functioning correctly, The next logical cause to investigate is the internal circuitry of the PCM. Advanced diagnostic tools may be required to execute this inspection thoroughly, since PCM failures may not be immediately apparent. This may include testing power and ground signals to ensure they are present and correct. A malfunction within the PCM can lead to false DTC settings, making it essential to confirm its proper operation. If a fault is found, it may necessitate further steps, including reprogramming or replacing the PCM altogether to rectify the issue effectively. After performing all necessary repairs on components related to DTC P0223, the next step is to clear the Diagnostic Trouble Code from the PCM memory. This is typically done using a professional scan tool that can communicate directly with the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system. After clearing the code, it's essential to perform a test drive to monitor the vehicle in real-world conditions. During this retest, the focus should be on confirming that the throttle response is now smooth and instantaneous, without erratic behavior. If the MIL does not illuminate again, and no new active DTCs appear, this indicates that the issue has likely been resolved successfully. Always verify that the vehicle operates optimally after repairs, ensuring the safety and performance of the Honda Accord. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.